In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPlay option grayed out on a VZU TV. First, make sure your TV is compatible with AirPlay and running the latest firmware by going to Menu, System, check for updates, and installing any available updates. Next, ensure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your VZU TV because AirPlay requires both devices to be on the same network. After that, restart both your TV and your Apple device to refresh the connection. If the AirPlay option is still grayed out, go to Menu, AirPlay and HomeKit, and check that AirPlay is enabled. You can also reset your network settings under Menu, System, Reset and Admin, Reset Network, which often resolves connectivity issues. And finally, make sure no restrictions or firewall settings on your network are blocking AirPlay. So that's it.